Hello.
Good luck out there, buddy. You're gonna need it.
It's my house, and if you don't like it, you get the fuck out.
It can't get any worse than this, can it?
English, motherfucker! Do you speak it?
Hey, fuck you!
I will put my foot so far up your ass the water on my knee will quench your thirst.
This is the worst kind of discrimination. The kind against me.
Get the fuck out my face with that shit.
Watch where you're going, needle dick.
Hey, I got an idea. Why don't you just kiss my left nut?
No.
Do you know who ate all the donuts?
Don't ask me.
Do you smell what I smell?
Surprise, cockbags!
Who the fuck is this asshole?
Oh, God, you're killing me. Oh, God, you're killing me. I am invincible! Invincible! You... Ow! Jerk ass!
Shut up!
See you later.
Please come again.